Hello friends, in this video I am discussing partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function. In previous video we discussed partial differential equation and methods to find partial differential equations. Already one method is discussed, partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constants. In this video I am discussing partial formation of partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary functions. The given question, this question is asked in 2018 question paper. Form the partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function f of xy plus z square comma x plus y plus z equal to 0. Now let's see the solution for this question. F of xy plus z square comma x plus y plus z equal to 0. This considered as equation number 1. Let u is equal to xy plus z square, v is equal to x plus y plus z. You see, I am considering this as u and this as v. Now, therefore, equation number 1 becomes f of u comma v equal to 0. This considered as equation number 2. Now we have to find dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z, and similarly dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y, dou v by dou z. Differentiate partially with respect to x, we get y, and differentiate this with respect to y, we get x. Differentiate this with respect to z, we get 2z. Partially differentiate this as with respect to x, we get 1. Partially differentiate this with respect to y, we get y. Similarly, differentiate this with respect to z, we get 1. Therefore, formation of partial differential equation corresponding to equation number 1 is given by capital P small p plus capital Q small q equal to R. This is, we know that capital P small p and capital Q small q equal to R. This considered as equation number 3. Here capital P is equal to dou of u comma v by dou of y comma z. By using Jacobians, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z, and dou v by dou y and dou v by dou z. We know that dou u by dou y is x, and dou u by dou z is 2z, and dou v by dou y is 1, and dou v by dou z is 1. Now we have to find determinant x minus 2z. Similarly, capital Q is equal to dou of u comma v by dou of z comma x. To find the Jacobian of this, dou u by dou z, dou u by dou x, and dou v by dou z, and dou v by dou x. We know that dou u by dou z is 2z, and dou u by dou x is y, and dou v by dou z is 1 and dou v by dou x is 1. that is equal to dou z minus y. And similarly, capital R is equal to dou of u comma v by dou of x comma y. Now we have to find the Jacobians of this dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, and dou v by dou x, and dou v by dou y equal to dou u by dou x is y, and dou u by dou y is x, and dou v by dou x is 1, and dou v by dou y is 1. That is r equal to y minus x. Now we have to substitute these values in equation number 3. We have to substitute capital P, capital Q, and capital R in given equation number 3. We get capital P, small p plus capital Q, small q is equal to R. This is the equation number 3, we know that. And we have to substitute capital P, capital Q, and capital R. Capital P value is x minus 2z small p plus, and Q, capital Q value is 2z minus y small q, and capital R value is y minus x. This is the required partial differential equations. Thanks for watching.